And the journey starts right here. The moment I took my first steps into the woods, I felt a strange, heavy atmosphere. I had never felt anything like that before, but maybe it was because I didn't know what to expect. After a few feet, let's say like this, I started noticing things happening from the trees. Old toys, strange objects, things you normally will never expect to see in the middle of the forest.
Okay, what about you? How long that trail gone? Go.
The full loop is a little more than a mile and a half.
Oh, okay.
So you just keep following it. Soon you'll get up to the boardwalk, will take you across the lake.
Yeah.
And once you're over, just kind of hang left, and yeah, it's about a mile and a half or so,
Oh.
maybe a little more.
That's good. Eh? So some toys
Oh yeah.
hanging on the trees.
Other side of the lake,
Yeah.
you'll see a lot of that.
Oh, okay.
This used to be an old brick factory.
Okay.
The lake out here itself is where they would dig the clay
Yeah.
out to make the bricks and stuff. And when the factory shut down, they filled in the pit and made the lake. So there used to be a lot of like homes and like small businesses and stuff around here. And when the factory shut down, all the buildings, were left basically, torn down and stuff. So some stuff kind of got left behind as just trash.
Okay.
And so pretty much everything on the trail is something that was found here from back when it was
Oh,
active.
that's nice. All right. Thank you, Dan.
No
Have
problem.
a great day.
Yeah, you have a great one.
Thank you.
And that's the story of this strange trail into woods. It definitively left an impression of me. If you're ever near Atlanta, it might actually be worth checking out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.